Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 10 to 16, 2024. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang. Let's see, Leo, what's coming to you this week? Energy is coming to you. What is your overall energy for this week? Leo. Five of Wands. There's some sort of conflict, misunderstanding, okay? So, possible na magkaroon ng conflict with someone, hindi kayo magkaintindihan, can be someone within your family or your connections, friendships, okay? And this can also mean, competition, no? Maaring na-challenge ka ngayon na maging competitive sa iba. Pwedeng competitive sa workplace. Clarify natin later. So, your possible challenge is the Page of Wands. So, kung meron kang mga gustong i-explore this week, subukan, pwedeng hindi pa matutuloy. Like, example, may plano ka na to travel somewhere ngayong week na to, possible na hindi siya matuloy, or, syempre, nasa sayo pa rin kung ipipilit mo, no? But all I can say is, kung talagang walang way para magawan mo ng paraan, then wag mo nang i-pursue. Wag mo munang ituloy. Pwede mo namang ipagpaliban yan eh. Oo. Some of you naman, pwedeng you might feel uninspired, no? Yung parang feeling yung parang hindi mo alam what's your purpose, or parang hindi ka na motivated. Let's see your opportunity. You have the Nine of Pentacles. So, in terms of your career, your finances, marami kang opportunities na pwedeng pasukin. I feel like there are some sort of recognition sa trabaho. Meron kang certain achievement sa finances mo. Pwedeng meron kang na-achieve na ipon, no? So, halimbawa, nung nag-start yung 2024, sinabi mo sa sarili mo na mag-iipon ka ng certain amount, no? And now, na-achieve mo na yan. And even more than that, no? You also have an opportunity to be your own boss. Maging, businessman, businesswoman. To have your own business. O kung yan yung gusto mong gawin para mas lalo kang ma-motivate, no? Ito na yung chance. Ito na yung sign mo. Okay? So, your blessing is the Seven of Wands. As a blessing, you are very much protected. Okay? Meron mga tao na will try to challenge you, will try to, say something bad about you. Your ancestors, your spirit guides, your higher self, pinoprotect ka talaga. Okay? I also see you na standing your ground, no? Ibig sabihin is kaya-kaya mo ipagtanggol yung sarili mo kahit na meron mga taong magta-try na i-bring down ka. It seems kasi na the more na nagiging successful ka, the more na maraming gustong humila sa'yo pababa. What is the Five of Wands? Ano tong misunderstanding na to? Queen of Swords. Oh, someone is, pwedeng may nagtitrip sa'yo, no? Pinagtitripan ka sa trabaho. Yung tipong laging nakamasid sa ginagawa mo, hinahanapan ka ng mali. This can mean, pwede rin tong sa trabaho or sa workplace, sa family. But it seems na meron dito na pwede rin nagpapakalat ng gossip or issue about you. Pwedeng meron kang i-confront na tao ngayong week na to about an issue na gusto mong maliwanagan. Which is tama naman, no, na kausapin mo kung sino talaga yung taong involved. What is the Page of Wands? The High Priestess. Okay. Maaring yung iba, you want to learn something ngayong week na to. May mga plans ka. Ito yung mga sinasarili mong plano. Okay? The moment kasi na ikwento mo na yan, no, yung mga plano mo na yan, parang it's like you're giving them the opportunity na sirain yung plano mo. So, might as well, just keep it to yourself, whatever your plans are. So, pag nagawa mo na, saka mo na lang sabihin kasi tapos na, 'di ba? Kung meron kayong narinig na sumisigaw sa background na bata, yan ang aking bunso. So, pagpasensyahan niyo na. Minsan na-excite siya sa kanyang pinapanood. Alam mo, nasa baba siya, nasa second floor ako. So, naririnig pa rin kasi, alam mo na, makulit. So, anyway, let's see your opportunity. What is the Nine of Pentacles? The Ten of Wands. Meron kang i-assume na role, no? A major role in can be your career or sa family na pwedeng para sa'yo, it's overwhelming, nakakapagod, maraming responsibilities. Pero rewarding naman siya. So, you will be rewarded with that. Let's say, sa workplace mo, ginawa kang OIC, acting manager. So, mahirap man siya kasi mas marami ka ng responsibilities, pero rewarding siya kasi in the future, ikaw yung i-consider na ipopromote, diba? Ganon. So, let's see naman, Seven of Wands. What is the Seven of Wands? The Tower. Oh my God. Okay. As a blessing, alam nyo, merong i-release. May merong taong mawawala sa buhay ninyo dahil hindi na meant for this person to be in your life. Dahil parang itong person na to ay sinasabotage niya yung buhay mo, no? So, pwedeng these are people na pinagkakatiwalaan mo, pero yung pala, they are just, backstabbing you. So, as a blessing, kung sino man yung mga taong makikilala mo ngayong week na to na, kumbaga makikilala mo yung totoong kulay nila, take that as a blessing in disguise kasi parang inililihis ka, tinatanggal ka sa sitwasyon na yan to protect you. Okay? Para maprotektahan ka from these people. Let's see your money, career, finances, energy. You have the Ace of Cups, merong source of happiness, pwedeng bagong career, bagong inspiration sa'yo. You have the Moon and the Five of Swords. Okay. Be careful rin sa mga offers sa'yo sa business, sa investments, dahil baka yung parang i-convince ka sa pamamagitan ng emotions mo. So, parang dahil nakaka-excite, dahil, alam mo yun, parang meron silang way para ma-convince ka and they will go deep into your emotions na pwedeng maging dahilan para mapa-oo ka. So, that is something tricky. So, be careful kasi this person might backstab you or merong hindi magandang intentions. Okay? But, for some of you, merong new source of happiness sa trabaho, sa career ninyo. Pwedeng bagong business, bagong career. Always be more sensitive. No? Kumbaga parang tap into your instinct, your intuition kasi sasabihin yan kung nasa tamang landas ka. Nine of Swords, nako. You have the Seven. Nako. Leo, be careful. Okay? I feel like merong sa trabaho mo, sa workplace mo na hindi ka gusto. Pwedeng they are trying to tear you down. Pwedeng gagawa ng kwento about you na pwedeng maging reason para magkaroon ng issue sa workplace. Okay? Be careful sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. So, your love life, you have the Three of Pentacles, you have the Death card. Naku, baka meron ditong nag-end na relationship na gustong ayusin. Or parang nasa brink of ending a relationship na gustong i-work out ng person mo. You may be dealing with a Scorpio. Let's see. I feel like merong mga ngako sa'yo na aayusin na niya. O aayusin na niya yung sarili niya. I feel like this is a positive change naman for this person. Baka lang immature lang siya dati, kaya may nagawa siyang kalokohan. But ngayon, I feel like this person is changing. This person is more focused na sa inyong relationship. Mas seryoso na siya. You are building your new destiny. Oo. Maaring meron kang sinisimulan ngayon na project, trabaho, business, or career na kailangan talaga maglakas loob ka, no? Kasi ito ay magiging successful, no, para sa iyo kasi ito na muna sa pedestal ka dito. Kumbaga, people are looking up ng tama ba? Looking up. Kumbaga parang nakaano sila sa iyo. They are admiring you. Merong exciting things that's going to happen. Oh my God, discord among friends and family. Nako. So, ayun na nga, merong hindi pagkakaintindihan talaga. Within the people that are close to you, it's either close sa'yo or sa workplace mo. My God, Leo. Reconciliation. Sa love life to, oo. Mukhang ayusin nyo yung relationship nyo ng person mo. Magbabago na daw siya. So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.